Hello, Language of Humanities. So I'm going to quickly go over the trimester overview. I've done it in a couple other videos, but just really quickly. We are going to spend 6 to 7 weeks working on personal essays. You're going to write 2. The first one will be an expository essay when you're telling me about yourself in a couple of topic-oriented paragraphs, actually 3. And then you're going to be writing a narrative essay, and we're going to look at those, a couple drafts of each of those. We're going to start the pre-writing activities today. After that, we're going to move on to short stories and literary elements. So we're going to be looking at a few different stories over the weeks, and you are going to do, instead of a paper, we're going to work on discussion skills. So there are going to be times where you are doing talking head videos, which is like this, where you're talking into a camera, but we're also going to do some hopefully live in-person discussion. If not live, it will be electronic discussion. So that is the trimester overview, and you got that on Schoology. Let's look at Schoology for a second. So, oops, wrong class. So this is the Schoology page for your class. This is my schedule. It says when I am online every day. You obviously can meet with me during our class. We're going to meet live on Thursdays, but I will be checking messages throughout the day. The exception is the time between 10:45 and 12:30 when I'm going to be doing my prep, but also my own kids' school stuff, so I won't be online as often during that time. But so what we're going to do this week is we're going to start your first essay. So you're already doing number 1, and number 2 is going to download Google Slides from self-service. If you haven't already, you might already have it there. And then you're going to open the presentation about myself assignment, which I'll show you in a second. This is really, really important. You have to use the My Panthers email. So you're going to connect to the document. And you have to go through Google, and you have to use your My Panthers email, or else I won't be able to see it. There's going to be an attached video I'll show you in a second. Today I'm going to have an open WebEx that you can come at any time when I have class to ask me questions, and you can just pop in by following the link. And then as the week goes on, you're going to work more on the presentation, and then we're going to work on some particular grammar. There's something using a simple past or versus what's called present perfect. I'm going to have a video on that assignment. The assignment is there now, but the video is not there yet. It will be soon. And then you can work on that on Wednesday. And then we're going to go through an example expository essay during our WebEx lesson on Thursday, so you know that what you are going to do. And then on Friday, we're actually going to start yours. We're going to start with the topic sentences. So by the end of the week, you should have your topic sentences for your 3 body paragraphs of your expository essay. Today, on Monday, when you're probably watching this, presentation about myself is what you're going to go to. And then, let me get it where you can see it. In this presentation, there is a link to my example presentation, but there's also a link that takes you to the directions in a YouTube video, so make sure you follow that. And like I said, there will be a link to my WebEx room, and I'll just be hanging out there today waiting for people to come ask me questions or just to say hi. So please do so. I'll talk to you later.